Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel Hotel Management and Hotelier's Life. Today in this video I am going to explain about what is allergy, what is allergenic hazard, what are the types of allergenic food, what are the symptoms of allergenic hazard, and what are the control measures you need to take for the allergenic hazard. Stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget the press icon. Now the question is, what is allergies? Allergies are caused by an abnormal response of immune system or the human body. Food allergy is an immune system reaction which occurs soon after having the allergenic food by the guest. In this condition, this guest can having a problem with the digestion, swelling throat or itching on the skins, or maybe it can be lead to the life threatening reaction, that is anaphylaxis. Now we are going to talk about the different type of allergenic food. Number one is nuts. Nuts are divided into two: the nuts which grows under the ground, that is peanuts, and that widely used in different types of Indian cuisine or sauces. The example for the peanut is peanut butter. The second nut is the tree nuts which grows on the tree, that is Brazilian nuts, cashew nuts, almond or pistachios. These types of nuts which we are using in the different type of preparation of biscuits or bakery product. Next allergenic food is soya. Soya is also widely used in the different types of bean curd or tofu, or soya milk also used in the preparation of food products. So soya is also a allergenic food. Milk is also a allergenic food. The most of the guests who is lactose intolerance, they cannot drink the milk or they cannot eat the product which comes from the milk. Next is celery. Celery is also a allergenic food that is widely used in the different type of salads. Next is egg. Egg is also used for the different types of hot preparation or in the salad also. So egg is also a allergenic food. Next is fish. Fish is also used for the different type of preparation in the kitchen or in the cuisines. So fish is also a allergenic food. Next is mustard. Mustard is also a allergenic food that is used widely in the preparation of burger, or most of the guests they like to eat as a sauce on the salad or on the burger. So mustard is also a allergenic food. Next is sesame seed. Sesame seed is widely used, or the sesame seed oil is also used in the preparation of different type of cuisines. So sesame seed is also allergenic food. Next is lupin. Lupin is type of a flower which are used in the preparation of few dishes only, and that seed or the flower is used for the preparation, and that seed or the lupin is also allergenic food. Next is crustacean. Crustaceans are those animals which live in the water, and they having a hard crust at back, and these crustaceans are prawns, crab, lobster, and these are the seafood items are widely used in cuisine. Next is molluscs. Molluscs is also allergenic food, and they are land snails, mussels, squids or oysters. These are the comes under the molluscs, and they are also allergenic food. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide or the sulphate is used the preservation of the food, and this may cause to the allergenic hazard to the guest, because some of the guests who having a problem with the asthma, they cannot have the food which is having a sulfur dioxide or the product which is preserved in the sulfur dioxide. Gluten and cereal. Gluten and cereals are contained by the barley, wheat, rye or oats, different types of food. In the production area they use cereals, and in the cereals there is a gluten, and gluten is a allergenic hazard for the some of the guests who cannot eat gluten. So as you get to know, these are the products which are highly allergenic product, and they are the product which are used in the preparation of the different type of cuisine in the kitchen. Now we are going to talk about the symptoms which are caused by the allergenic food to the human beings. So some of the people who eat this product, and they will get these type of symptoms. Number one is swelling of throat, mouth, or problem in breathing of the guest or the person. If the person is getting this type of problem, you need to be very careful, and these are the symptoms of allergenic food. Second one is flashing of skins or the itching of skins. that is also a symptom of allergenic food. Third one is severe asthma. Here the person who is having allergenic problem, he cannot breathe properly and maybe he will go unconscious. Next is weakness or fall in blood pressure. Sometimes the person who eat this allergenic food, they may get a weakness and fall in blood pressure. That is also a symptoms of allergenic food. Next is abdominal pain, nausea or vomiting. This also caused by allergenic food. If the person who cannot digest the product or the food which is eaten by him, that may get the abdominal pain, nausea or vomiting, and these are the symptoms of allergenic product. Next is collapse or unconsciousness. This is also very essential that the guest, if the person who is allergenic with some product, if he eat or if he had a teeny amount of that allergenic food, he might be unconscious or it may collapse. So these are the symptoms of allergenic hazard. If you eat any of these product, you may get these type of symptoms which are caused by the allergenic food. Now we are going to talk about the control measures of allergenic hazard. What are the control measures you need to follow to avoid the allergenic hazard? Number one is approved supplier. The supplier from which you are getting the products or the different types of food, he should be HACCP approved. Next is contamination. Contamination also play a vital role in allergenic hazard. So for that you need to be very careful about the contamination. Here you need to follow some standard operating procedures or safe work procedure while preparing the allergenic. For that you need to wash hand frequently or use the color coding chopping board or the knife. Use the proper area where you are cooking only allergenic food. Use the gloves before preparing the different type of food. Next is segregation and satisfactory packaging. When you getting any product which are used in the preparation of the kitchen, so you need to be very careful, read the manufacturer allergenic information, and if you are decanting it, please decant in a proper way and please put a highlight that this product is allergenic product and write the allergenic product or the food allergen. So the person who is going to use next time, he will get to know that this product is having any type of allergen like seeds, flour or any other type of sauces which we are using in different type of kitchen. Clear labeling is also a control measures which are used in the allergenic hazard. So please put a proper clear label of the product that this product is having this allergenic food. Next is effective cleaning and sanitization of the area or of the equipment. This is very important that if you are preparing any food which is having any allergen, these equipment need to sanitize properly or deep clean properly by the kitchen stewarding team. The staff also need to give a proper training of the allergenic product, or the chef also need to have a good information about the allergenic hazard or allergenic food which they are preparing inside the kitchen. So they need to follow color coding chopping board, knife, use gloves, proper hand washing, proper standard operating procedures or standard workplace should be used for the allergenic food. And one more information that when you taking any order of the guest, if the guest is allergenic with that some problem, please request the guest and ask that if he is allergenic with other product also and what else he cannot eat. Please highlight that to the chef and repeat this order again with the guest, so you will not make any mistake. When you go for the kitchen to the chef, please highlight him and tell this food is allergenic, don't put this product in the food. So by this you also can control the allergenic hazard in the food service area. I hope you get the full information about the allergenic hazard, the symptoms of allergenic hazard and the control measures in the allergenic hazard. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and please press the bell icon. Don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Thank you so much.